They are different between a woman and a man. You understand? They are different between a woman and a man because sometimes a man can behave like a child. It doesn't matter that he is matured or not, but there are some a childish character. You understand? We are two different, a woman and a man. You understand? God created us in a different way. Most of the times, guys, sometimes don't be anger too much with your men because most of the men they need patience, guys. A woman is stronger than a man. You know that people they say a man is stronger than a woman. No, a woman is stronger than a man. People they don't know that, guys. A man is so weak, but women we are stronger because guys, men can do a lot of drama or cheating on you, but you are still staying with him. Maybe he is cheating on you 10 times or 20 times, but you forgive him. But women, when you are cheating with your man, a man can't forgive. And guys, a man is a short tempered most of the times. Guys, we are two different people. They say woman is stronger than a woman. No, woman is stronger than men.